Now we will see how to record a PowerPoint presentation by using Screencast-O-Matic software. After installation, this type of icon will appear on your desktop. Double click on this icon of Screencast-O-Matic. A new window will appear. Over this window, you have to click on Launch Free Recorder. After clicking on Launch Free Recorder, a new small window will pop up. Just understand this function. There are three different options. If you want to record only screen, then you have to click on this first option. There, record just the screen and no webcam. If you want only webcam and no screen, then you have to click on this second option. And if you want both, that means your screen will also appear along with your photograph or along with webcam, then you have to click on third option. First, as a practice, we will just record our screen. Next part is, always you have to keep in mind that narration. When you start your recording, always look at this portion. This green blinking should be there so that it represents that your mic and the audio system is functioning properly. Now you want to start your recording. While starting or before starting, you just open your desired PowerPoint presentation which you want to record and make it on slideshow mode. So I am clicking on this slideshow. Now click on this record tab. Now it will set a time 3, 2, 1, go. After go, you have to start saying the words about that particular slide. If for practice 1, 2, 3 slides we will do. For example, hello friends, today we will talk about digital initiatives in higher education. The first digital initiative is Swayam. It is nothing but study web of active learning of young and aspiring men. Like that, you have to record your audio for every slide, and if your presentation is over, then click on this tab. That means now the audio will pause or recording will pause. Now this type of bar will appear. There you can preview your recording by clicking on this triangle or play button. I am clicking on this triangle for preview. 3, 2, 1, go. After go, you have to start saying the words about that particular slide. If for practice 1, 2, 3 slides, see, we will do. All the things get recorded. Hello friends, today we will talk about digital initiatives in higher education. The first digital initiative is. So likewise, this Screencast-O-Matic software has recorded your PowerPoint presentation and your audio. Finally, you have to click, and if you want to restart it, then you can click on this delete option and again start recording. But if you find now this is okay, then you can click on done. After clicking on done, there are two options, whether you want to save or upload this file directly on YouTube or some other options, or if you want to save it in your computer, or if you want to edit this video, you can choose any one of the options depending upon your need. But for practice, I am saving this in my desktop. So I clicked on save button. Now this is a video file. Now save in which place? Save as a video file on your computer. So I will click this. From here itself you can directly upload it on YouTube. I'll click on save video file. Now this window is important. By which name you want to save this file? For example, I am changing it to record narration by Screencast-O-Matic. Then in which folder you want to save this? Right now it is in MOOC course folder, which I am having on my desktop. So there this file will saved. And finally you have to remember, you have to click on this publish button, otherwise it will not get saved. So this publish is important. I am clicking on this publish. Now your processing is going on, video is going to save. It will take some time depending upon the size of your recorded video. See, your video file is ready. You can directly play from here to check whether it is okay or not, or you can see where it is saved. So I will click on browse folder. See, I have saved that file in MOOC course folder. It is like this, record narration by Screencast-O-Matic. I am double clicking on this to see whether. So in this way your recorded PPT is ready by Screencast-O-Matic software. So I hope you understood the step. Just go to the video once and note down the steps and create your own PowerPoint presentation and record your voice along with each and every slide. So for practice, just make 5 slides presentation of your choice, your subject, and just install first Screencast-O-Matic and then start recording of that PowerPoint presentation. So just do it as your assignment. All the best. Thank you.